All right, everyone, this is Nicholas with Homes of Fredonia, and today we are at another crane on. Half of this home is already craned onto its 8-foot superior wall basement foundation, and we had to back the second half of this home the entire way up this street. You can see the end of the street down there, and so going in reverse, getting this one onto the lot here. And we've got the whole crew all the way down the road here. And here comes the second half of this home. So stay tuned and make sure you watch the next video, because we're going to get a long form video of this second half of this home being craned onto its foundation. And so I'm assuming they're going to go ahead and try to swing this house right here and back it all the way up onto the site, and they have the machine back here ready to grab onto it, onto the hitch with the chain, and pull it back onto the site as far as they can into this mud here, the best they can, so that the crane can then pick it up from right here and swing it over onto the foundation, because obviously the crane cannot grab it from where it's at because we've got the telephone pole and wires in the way here. So definitely a very intricate job, and it takes a lot of planning to do this. And I'm gonna just zoom in. You can see, I want to show you this. You can see that's a recessed entryway on the front of the home, where it kind of dips in there. And you can see on this foundation, that is where the front door is going to be. So that is a staggered, recessed part of the foundation there to match the front of the home. Gives it a nice little bit of curb appeal. And then once both halves of the home are set, you'll see that the roof looks kind of flat right now, but it's on a hinge system, and the crane's going to lift the entire roof up to its peak, and the guys will be up there and pulling the knee walls out to support that roof once the crane lifts it up. And then all of these supports in the middle of the home, of course, go away, and there's the kitchen in there, and that's going to be an open floor plan. So it's all going to come together, but those don't come out until both halves are set. So stay tuned and watch the next video, and you'll be able to see this entire home being set on its foundation and flying through the air.